Haripur district of Hazara division. Situated in the Hazara division of Pakistan, Haripur boasts a rich and diverse culture that is deeply rooted in history, traditions, and the unique characteristics of its people. The city is named after Sardar Hari Singh Nalwa, reminiscent of the area's Sikh history, having been founded particularly by the Sikh general. The people of Haripur are primarily of Pashtun, Hindko, and Gujar ethnicities, each contributing to the cultural mosaic of the area. Pashtuns, with their vibrant traditions and hospitality, play a significant role in shaping the district's cultural identity. They uphold age-old customs, such as the Jirga system, where disputes are resolved through community elders' consensus. Hindko, another prevalent ethnic group, brings its own set of customs and linguistic nuances to Haripur. The language is spoken with pride, and traditional dances and folk music are cherished forms of expression. Festivals like Eid and Shab-e Barat hold great significance in lives of Haripur's people, bringing the community in celebration and unity. The Gujar community, known for its expertise in cattle farming and dairy products, adds to the cultural diversity of the region. Their nomadic lifestyle has left an indelible mark on Haripur's cultural fabric, and their unique traditions and artistry are celebrated throughout the district. Haripur's cuisine is an integral part of its cultural heritage. The district is renowned for its delectable dishes, including various meat-based curries, kebabs, and traditional bread like naan and roti. Hospitality is ingrained in the local culture, and guests are treated with utmost respect, often being served generous portions of food to ensure they are well taken care of. In addition to its cultural heritage, Haripur district is also famous for its historical landmarks. Notable historical sites include the Bala Hisar Fort and the Haripur Museum, which showcase the region's rich history and architectural heritage. The Tarbela Dam, located on the Indus River in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, is one of the world's largest earth-filled dams and a vital hydraulic engineering marvel. Construction began in 1968 and was completed in 1976. Its vast reservoir, known as Tarbela Lake, stretches over an area of 250 square kilometers. Tarbela Dam serves as a significant source of hydropower and is a powerhouse installed capacity of around 3,478 megawatts, making it one of the most important hydroelectric power stations in Pakistan. The electricity generated from the dam plays a crucial role in meeting the country's demands, reducing its dependency on fossil fuels and promoting cleaner energy alternatives. In conclusion, Haripur district in Hazara division is a treasure trove of culture and tradition. With its diverse ethnic groups, rich history, delicious cuisine, and scenic beauty, Haripur remains a place of immense cultural significance. The people's commitment to education and their warm hospitality make it a unique and welcoming destination for visitors from all walks of life. Preserving and promoting Haripur's culture is essential to ensure that this rich heritage continues to thrive.